Today we discuss order of a group and order of elements in a group. First we define order of a group. Order of a group G star. A group, a set G with a operation star is a group if it satisfies closure property, associative property, existence of identity and existence of inverse. Order of a group, that is order of a group denoted by modulus G or order of G. This denotes cardinality of G. Order of G is not modulus, it's cardinality of G. That is the number of elements in G. Just the number of elements of G is the order of G. Consider the group Z plus Z under usual addition. It's a group. It is an infinite group because Z has infinitely many points. Z10 under the operation addition modulo 10. It is a finite group because Z10 has only 10 elements 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 9. So it is a finite group. Next we discuss order of an element in a group G star. Let G is an element in the group G. Then order of G equals n. That implies G raised to n equal to E. This G raised to n not represent the power of G. G operates n times. If the operation is addition, then add G n times, we get the identity element 0. Then that G has order n. If we add G 3 times, we get the additive identity 0. Then the order of G is 3. If the operation is multiplication, then multiply G 4 times, we get the multiplicative identity 1. Then in this group, G has order 4. So the definition means that if we operate an element n times and we get the identity element in that group, then the order of G is n. If we operate G n times, we get the identity element of that set, then the order of G is n. Consider the other examples. Group with the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 under the operation addition modulo 5. It is a group because it satisfies the closure property, associativity, and here the identity element is 0 and each element has an inverse, so it is a group. And order of this group is 5 because this set has 5 elements. And what's the order of each element in the set? Order of 0. If we operate 0 1 times, we get element 0. 0. So the order of the identity element in each set is 1. What is order of 1? We add 1 5 times, we get 5. So 5 is congruent to 0 modulo 5 because we divide 5 by 5, we get the remainder 0. So if we add here, this is not a usual addition. Here it is addition modulo 5. So if we add 5 and 1 5 times, we get 5, and 5 is congruent to 0 modulo 5. So order of 1 is 5. What is order of 2? If we add 2 5 times, we get 10. 10 is also congruent to 0 modulo 5. So 2 has order 5. What is order of 3? If we add 3 times, we get 15. 15 is also congruent to 5 modulo 5. So it's also 5, and modulus cardinality of 4 is also 5 because 4 we add 4 5 times, we get the identity element 0. So the cardinality of 4 is also 5. Then what about the order of each element in Z plus? Z plus is a group under the operation addition, and Z has infinitely many points, therefore it is an infinite group. It is an infinite abelian group. Then what about the order of its elements? Order of 0 is 1 because 0 is the identity element. All other element has infinite order because if we add 1 n times, we get the answer as n. So if we add n in any finite terms, in any finite times, we couldn't reach the we couldn't reach the sum as 0. So each element in Z has infinite order. Each element in Z has infinite order other than 0 because the order of 0 is 1. Also, we check the order of the elements in the set. Set 1 minus I minus I with the operation multiplication. This is a group and has 4 elements. So, a finite group with the order 4. Then what's the order of 1? If we multiply, 1 is the identity element of multiplication. So, order of 1 is 1. What is order of minus 1? Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. That is, we operate minus 1 2 times, we get the identity element 1. So, order of minus 1 is 2. What is the order of I? I into I is I square. I into I is I square. That is minus 1. So, I into I into I into I. That is minus 1 into minus 1 equals 1. So, we operate I 4 times, we get 1. So, order of I is 4. Similarly, minus I into minus I is I square. Again, minus I into minus I square. So, we get minus, so we get plus 1. So, order of minus I is also 4.